Good morning, everyone. Hare Krishna. Myself Shashwat Handa, and today I am going to speak on the topic nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. So, what is nuclear fusion? First of all, we'll talk about nuclear fusion. So, nuclear fusion is the combining of two light nuclei to form a heavy one. Deuterium and tritium, isotopes of hydrogen, combine to form helium and give off energy. So, this is a classic example of fusion. Basically, this occurs in stars such as sun. The helium in the hydrogen in them combines and it becomes helium and gives off energy. Now the energy released is given as heat and light. So here we can see that we have this deuterium over here, this deuterium and this tritium. When they fuse, they release helium, a neutron, and some amount of energy. Now, this energy is so much that it can provide life on a planet such as Earth. So, moving forward, we come to fission. Nuclear fission is the breaking up of a heavy nucleus into lighter nuclei. So, uranium breaks up into barium and krypton. This releases a lot of energy, and basically, this energy is used to power the nuclear power plants. Here is a graphical representation. Actually, an isotope of uranium named uranium-235 is used. It's actually a very unstable isotope, and especially when a neutron bombards this uranium-235 isotope, it gives off uranium-236 because the atomic mass will increase by 1. Now, uranium-235 was already unstable. Now, uranium-236 is even more unstable. Therefore, it will break up. It will collapse. And therefore, what will happen is it will break up into a krypton nucleus and a barium nucleus as shown over here. And 3 neutrons will be given off. Also, there are a lot of energy will be released. Now, the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion are useful, but they are very destructive also if used in the wrong sense. For example, we all know what happened on Nagasaki and Hiroshima on 6th and 9th August 1945 respectively. So basically, these forms of energy, these ever spring sources of energy should be put to only constructive use, such as providing energy, providing electricity. They should not be used destructively. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.